Are you suffering from a cold or possibly the flu? Here are 5 effective herbal recipes to help alleviate flu symptoms. Number 1 is elderberry syrup. This is a powerful immune booster that helps reduce the severity and duration of flu symptoms. The ingredients are as follows: 1 cup dried elderberries or 2 cups fresh elderberries, 4 cups water, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger, half teaspoon cloves optional, 1 cup raw honey. Follow these instructions for this syrup. Combine elderberries, water, cinnamon, ginger, and cloves in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to a simmer. Cover and simmer for 45 minutes to an hour. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl. Allow it to cool slightly, then stir in the honey. Store in a glass jar in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. For dosage, take 1 tablespoon daily as a preventative or 1 tablespoon every 2 to 3 hours during illness. Number 2 is ginger and lemon flu tea. This soothing tea helps ease sore throats, reduce nausea, and support hydration. Ingredients are 2 inches fresh ginger roots sliced, 4 cups water, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon raw honey. You can add an optional pinch of cayenne pepper. Instructions for this tea: boil the ginger in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea into a mug and add lemon juice and honey. Stir well and drink warm. For extra congestion relief, add a pinch of cayenne. Tip: drink 2 to 3 times daily. Number 3, garlic and honey immune booster. Garlic's antiviral properties, paired with honey's soothing qualities, make this a potent flu remedy. Ingredients: 3 cloves garlic, finely chopped or crushed, 1 tablespoon raw honey. Instructions: mix garlic with honey in a small bowl. Let it sit for 10 minutes to allow the garlic's compounds to activate. Consume 1 teaspoon every few hours. Tip: best consumed raw, but you can add it to warm tea if needed. 4. Peppermint steam inhalation. Great for relieving nasal congestion and easing breathing. Ingredients: 5 to 10 drops peppermint essential oil or 2 tablespoons dried peppermint leaves. Bowl of hot water, towel. Instructions: boil water and pour it into a large bowl. Add peppermint oil or dried leaves to the hot water. Lean over the bowl, covering your head and bowl with a towel to trap the steam. Inhale deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. Tip: repeat 2 to 3 times a day as needed. 5. Turmeric golden milk, a comforting drink with anti-inflammatory and immune supportive properties. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or any milk of choice, half teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of black pepper, enhances turmeric absorption, 1 teaspoon raw honey. Optional, half teaspoon grated fresh ginger. Instructions: warm the almond milk in a saucepan over low heat. Whisk in turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, and ginger until well combined. Remove from heat and stir in honey. Drink warm, preferably before bedtime. Tip: consume once daily for inflammation relief and better sleep.